Look at this bird with sort of a white head. It walks like a chicken. And this is a nature park here in Mallorca, and I'm going to show you something really cool. This is a first for me, what you're about to see. I didn't know they existed, but this park has, I guess, what they call blinds. So it's like a secret place to observe wildlife. So there's me, my shadow here. So that's where I am right now. Parc Natural des Alcudia de Mallorca. And then you push the door open. You try and be quiet. And there's a sign telling you to keep the blind closed when you leave. But basically, you just turn that handle here, lift it up, and one at the top. And now you can spy on wildlife. Not too much to be seen from this one. You can see the mountains in the background. Very interesting concept, these blinds. And these are all the different kinds of birds they have here. And at the start of the video, that was the guy right there, a Fotja. See, there's a white head. And we'll end on that note.